Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to print leave report based on selected date. You can see here our module, Dev Leave on Day Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to this time of app, go to this reporting menu and see here this menu for print report. Now click on and select date like 29 and click on this print report. So see here total 2 admin and Peterson. Display here selected date, end date and number of day. Thank you.